All right, boys and girls, our number of the day today is the number 1. Everybody point to the number 1 on your screen like this. Great job. Here's an easy one. Ready? We're going to count and clap one time. 1. Great job. I need help tracing my number 1. We're going to find the red dot and put our finger on it right here. And number 1 is like a stick, a straight line that is very quick. Great job. Let's try it one more time. Ready? Find our red dot, put our finger on it. Number 1 is like a stick, a straight line that is very quick. Great job, boys and girls.